Is it on? No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It
not.
says
5 seconds.
It's 10 seconds, like now.
Okay, you're like Jamie from X Factor. He's like, big boom.
Oh, and yours isn't.
Yeah, no, it's not, isn't it? Goodbye. Hi everyone. My name's Shannon, and
I am Chloe. We are going to do a weird show.
Just a random show.
Hi. Fun. Yeah.
Goodbye. So hi again. My name's now Shannon, and I
am Chloe.
And
We
go away.
Don't hit me on the head.
Anyway,
my mum's
look at the mess. Look, move over that way. Look at the mess that my dog done on my mum's wall. How amazing! Look at that. He's been
Okay, we're
sleeping
going to sing a song.
Are we?
No, I am.
Oh, are you? Oh, what is it? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, is it?
No, it's called. Well, I don't really know what it's called. I just make it up as I go along. She was a stinky bomb.
Yeah, like, look what I got my toes.
All I see is a pigsty.
No, I'm not. That's what you call pink nail varnish. Look, I won't get it. Look, I'll show you.
Okay, welcome to the video. This is what you call normal people.
Look. All my makeup in here. Oh, wait a minute.
I might want to show it.
Look, move it over that way. Move that. Sorry, she gets in my road. Right. This is what you call eyeshadow. This is what you call blusher.
This is my eyeshadow.
No, it's not. I got that from London's shop. This is lip gloss that I really don't wear. This is eyeshadow again. See, I got all this like from my
This is what you call a giant haircut.
Oh, look what I got from my friend Chloe. Look what I got from my friend Chloe. Isn't that so cute? Isn't it? Oh, look at that.
You haven't even worn it.
No, I haven't. I know. Oh, and look at my lip gloss. Isn't that pretty? I might actually shove it on just now. Just like eating it up. I've got mascara. I've got more eyeshadow in the mirror. If I can just open it. Oh, there we go.
Oh, do you want to see my lip gloss?
That's a pen.
No, it's not.
Oh, like I've got I've got eyeliner. I've got blusher. I've got a thing. Oh look, I've got a pencil. That's colouring my nails. Nah.
That's just red from.
Yeah, no.
They're like posh too. Don't make me itch, Shannon. That's not even where it's supposed to go.
There's nothing in it.
The time of my
life.
Yeah,
see, it's Chloe's birthday soon, and I'm like, she's having a sleepover at mine.
Yeah, I thought we were going for cake.
Nah, I can't really come to the shop. It's too early. Too late. Well, no, it's not that.
How's it like a woman's past 8?
So I can't really go. Look at my face. Like, oh, look, into club.
Apparently, this was just a pen. How's it a pen if I've got lip gloss on?
Because you shoved lip gloss on. Like, you whoa.
I had the time of my life.
Oh, wait, but I got for my dad's birthday this year. Top dad. I got him wine gums.
I make my dad something because he thinks it's fashion.
And I've got a blusher. That with my what do you call it? Oh, look, that's a toe thing that I use for my toes. It's like so pretty, and I've like covered my bed in makeup. Like my mum and dad are sleeping so well because I just like covered it in makeup and hair, dog hair. Oh, and look at my slippers, how cute!
Well, I thought it was yours.
No.
I had the time of my life.
Oh, look at the tissues.
holding on to you. Ouch.
Oh, stop.
Okay, we're gonna do an acting scene. This is what you call emotionally
Can I just get a little bit of
disorganized.
lip gloss on?
No, you're upset.
But my...
Our boyfriends broke up with us.
I didn't even have a boyfriend in the first place, so what are you
We're
talking about?
acting.
Here, I did not have a boyfriend in the first place.
Finally,
So
our
I
dog
I'm
died.
Our dad died? No, he did not. My dad's sitting right downstairs on
Your
dirt.
dog.
My dog's like sitting right there. Guinness! Guinness! Oh, he's gonna move. Guinness!
Do you want to see your
Guinness,
dog?
wait! I'm done. I'm done.
Come on,
Sit.
can be in the show.
No, Guinness, stand up. No, no place. Sit. Like up. Lift.
Where's your dog? This is our dog.
Aren't you from Guinness? Aren't you?
Yeah, it's because
My
the first time
lovely
they got them, they had the beer called Guinness. And it's like, I don't even remember. It's called a beer.
Alright, Guinness, up. Come on. Good boy. No, stay.
Like, he knows tricks and everything.
You've got something on your tail, Guinness.
You know tricks and everything,
Oh,
don't
okay.
you? Ha! Look,
You
he's waving at you.
Right, Guinness, up. Like, up, Mom, up. Goodbye. No, stay.
No.
Right, Guinness, sit.
Sit.
Paw.
Paw. Paw.
Paw. Paw. Paw, you stupid dog.
He did give me the paw.
Like, that's paw. Like, this is
Paw.
paw. Where's Max? Where's Max? No.
Now.
Bark. Where's Max?
No, sit. Sit.
Where's Mum? Is Mummy in the bath?
No. Okay, go
Come
by
on.
Mommy.
Oh, goodbye then.
Okay,
So,
that
wasn't
is
he
the
so
end of our...
cute? Wasn't he? No, it's not the end of our show.
We've only got like half another minute.
No,
Guinness, can I come give you that? No, you've only got 10.
Get us up, Get us up,
Come on, then. Max, look, Max, come get Max.
You boy!
He's like so cute.
Yeah, I know, you should actually see him live. But, oh, if I just like shove my face like...
He's so cute.
Let's switch off the big light. You might actually give us better, you know. Look, you did as well, didn't you?
Mwah. I'm not again. He's
Where's
like,
Max? Where's your cousin? Where's Max? Where's Max?
okay, this
Look at his
will have to be
ears.
the end of the show, but we'll come and continue with the show another time.
Can I say bye? Like, bye! No! Dude, this was a bit of bark there. That's not my dog barking, that's you, isn't it?
Okay, bye!
He's playing with me! Oh, look, my face. Look, get your face in it, like.
Bye!
Bye!
We'll see you another time!
See you another time if I just like pause this. Remember, comment on the show! Get us a bye! Bye!
Oh, bye and bye!
4, 3, 2.